This is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I will show how you can download the Fortnite game on it. So first, open whatever search engine you prefer using and find the Fortnite, or rather use the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results you're going to be provided with, you're going to need to look for epicgames.com or fortnite.com official websites. So here is the fortnite.com website, so we can trust it. Let's open its web page. Then tap at the download now button over here. Then in a few seconds you should get the dialog window that will ask if you would like to download this file. So allow it to be downloaded, then launch it, allow your browser to install external apps, install the Epic Games Store, then open the app. Onwards, enter the Fortnite game page and tap at the install button over there. Now we will need to wait for a minute or so for the Fortnite game to be downloaded. So now let's allow Epic Games Store to install apps, then install the Fortnite game, and upon installing you can just go ahead and launch it, and all that remains is for you to wait until the Fortnite will download all remaining updates, resources and packages, whatever. The update size is going to be just over 6 gigabytes, I think. And after this process finishes, you will be finally able to start playing the game. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.